Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to our channel. Summer 2025 is officially here, and it's time to refresh your wardrobe fast. We've rounded up 8 trends to ditch this season so you can stay ahead of the curve and look effortlessly chic under the sun. Quick pause. Before we dive in, here's a real summer essential: glowing, healthy skin. And the secret? Hydration. That's why we love the Water Track app. It reminds you to drink water and helps keep your skin fresh, your energy high, and your look on point. Grab it from the link in the description and glow all summer long. Now, stay tuned till the end. Number 1 trend might be something you've been living in and needs a serious wardrobe intervention. Ready? Let's get into it! Eight. Chunky platform sandals. First up at number 8, it's time to kick those chunky platform sandals to the curb. Sure, they gave us that early 2000s Bratz doll energy, but in summer 2025, they're dragging down your entire look, literally. Designers and influencers are now leaning toward refined, barely there silhouettes that feel lighter on your feet and easier on the eyes. Heavy soles are also a hazard in extreme heat. They trap heat and cause discomfort. Let's be real, sweaty feet and platform blisters are not the look. What to wear instead? Thin-soled, minimalist sandals in earthy tones, like oat, mocha, or blush. Think delicate straps, square toes, or even barely there thong sandals that elongate your legs and scream quiet luxury. If you still crave some height, try sleek espadrille wedges or sculptural mid-heels. 7 oversized hoodies and athleisure tops. Number 7 might surprise some of you. Oversized hoodies and baggy athleisure tops. While these were your go-to during the quarantine era, summer 2025 is all about making your look feel put together, even when you're keeping it casual. These bulky tops disrupt the natural lines of summer-ready fashion. They trap heat, block airflow, and ruin the shape of breezy skirts or tailored shorts. Athleisure is evolving, from lazy chic to smart casual athletic, and you don't want to be left behind. Instead, reach for cropped linen button-downs, ribbed tank tops, halter necks, or minimal cotton tees in neutral or muted pastel palettes. Light, breathable, and fashionable. 6. Large statement belts. Coming in at number 6, large statement belts. Remember when chunky hardware and oversized buckles were all the rage? That's over. This summer, clean and subtle styling takes the lead. Big belts tend to cut your figure awkwardly, especially with soft, flowing dresses or wide-leg pants. The 2025 aesthetic is about effortless draping, soft tailoring, and quiet accessories. Giant belts feel like you're trying too hard. So what should you wear instead? Opt for narrow belts, maybe in soft leather or tonal fabric. Even better, use a silk scarf tied at the waist or go belt-free for a modern, unbothered silhouette. Think Parisian meets coastal chic. 5. Denim hot pants, ultra-short shorts. At number 5, it's time to say goodbye to denim hot pants, those ultra-short shorts that barely cover anything. While they ruled festivals and beach clubs in the past, 2025 is moving toward comfort, modesty, and real-world wearability. The ultra-revealing cut is not just outdated, it's also uncomfortable, especially in city settings or active summer days. Riding up, chafing, constant adjusting, girl, you deserve better. Try instead Bermuda shorts, structured linen shorts, or even paper bag waist cotton shorts. These flatter more body types, look more elevated, and work for brunches, walks, or poolside parties. 4. Bubble skirts. Bubble skirts are out. Yup, those poofy silhouettes from the Y2K era are crashing hard in 2025. Although fashion once flirted with this playful trend, the modern fashion lover wants something sleek, breathable, and elegant, not inflated and awkward. The problem with bubble skirts? They make you look shorter, add bulk in the wrong areas, and simply don't flow. That extra volume creates heat and limits movement. The 2025 upgrade? Think breezy wrap skirts, bias-cut slip skirts, and midi-length linens. These give you the same statement feel, but in a way that flatters the body and flows in the summer breeze. Three, sporty sandals, Tevas, Velcro hiking styles. Number 3, sporty sandals with Velcro straps, thick tread, or hiking-inspired aesthetics. Think Tevas or chunky trail styles. While practical, they're being traded in for more elevated feminine alternatives in 2025. These sandals scream utility, not sophistication. They work for hiking trails, sure, but are they cute for rooftop drinks or a date night? Not anymore. Upgrade to fisherman sandals in leather, strappy mules, or modern slides. These give you support without sacrificing style, and they pair beautifully with both casual dresses and resort wear. 2, neon colors. At number 2, neon colors. Bright highlighter hues ruled for a hot minute, but 2025 is officially saying tone it down. Neon pink, lime green, and electric blue are out, washed away by a wave of calm, earthy, and dreamy tones. This year's top colors are digital lavender, soft sage, butter yellow, and cloud white. They photograph beautifully, feel relaxing, and align with the growing clean girl, quiet luxury, and dopamine dressing aesthetics, just minus the screaming palette. So skip the neon and glow in soft hues that highlight your natural skin tone and radiate elegance. One, skin-tight bodycon dresses. And the number 1 fashion item to ditch this summer, skin-tight bodycon dresses. You know the kind, synthetic, clingy, hard to breathe in. While they once defined night-out glam, summer 2025 is asking for movement, breathability, and soft silhouette. Tight bodycons don't just feel stuffy, they also fail to align with the season's ethos of comfort meets elegance. Plus, they're unforgiving under the heat and completely restrict your flow. Go for slip dresses, airy maxi dresses with cutouts, ruched linen body skimmers, or relaxed fit 2-piece co-ords. These make you look sexy without trying too hard. Fashion evolves, and so should we. These 8 items had their time, but summer 2025 is the season of airy fits, soft tones, and refined comfort. If any of these outdated trends are still lingering in your closet, it's time to make space for pieces that actually make you feel good. Which trend surprised you the most? Which one are you secretly still clinging to? Let me know in the comments. I'll keep it between us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for weekly fashion content, lookbooks, and trend breakdowns. Until next time, stay radiant, stay stylish, and keep your wardrobe one step ahead.